Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a video that crashes Discord. I have two examples right here. It's basically Kirby. And then what it'll do, at the end of the video, it'll freeze. And then it'll crash your Discord. And I also have another video. And then boom, it'll crash your Discord. And so basically, what you want to do is just find any video. I'll just use this again for an example. Make sure it's an MP4 and rename it to Part 1. Okay, so what you want to do now is download FFmpeg 4.4, extract it. Since I've already done that, what you want to do is when it's done extracting, go to Windows or whatever, paste it in here and just name it FFmpeg, and go into bin, copy this, press a Windows R, and type in system properties advanced.exe. Go into environment variables, go to path, go to edit. Since this is already here, this shouldn't be here for you, unless you've already done this. Press new, paste it in, and click OK. But I've already done all that. So now what you want to do is, so if you have these videos, you want the folder to be named Crasher, and they both have to be an MP4, and you have to be named Part 1 and then the black one Part 2. I will put the video that is completely black in the description. So you want to make a test.txt file and type this in. Okay, so I'm back. I have gotten the two codes here. So basically, when you're done with this, typing this in, you want to click save, and then you can close it. Or you can press Control S or Command S, or not Command S. Okay, so first, you want to, I'll put these in the description. You want to copy, you want to Control C, go up here, Control V, paste. This should pop up, don't worry, it's not like a virus or anything. And then boom, you'll get this file. Now what you want to do, copy this, paste that, boom, here's your file. And then it'll freeze, blah blah blah. Look, it even crashed here. Yeah, it crashed here. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next video. Peace.